All right. My name is Ian Blackburn and I run learnaboutwine.com. I'm just doing my little thing that I do, letting you know of something super exciting, super important to me. Um, I work my butt off to produce world-class wine events, and I have a great team that helps me get there. And we have put together a showstopper called The Stars of Pinot. Now, first, you don't have to love Pinot Noir to come to this event, because almost all the Pinot producers are showing off their Chardonnay. A couple of them make a cab. So it's not just Pinot, Pinot, Pinot. But in the world of Pinot Noir, this is the upper crust. So check out our event, The Stars of Pinot. Go to starsofpinot.com to find tickets, or you can go to learnaboutwine.com. It's on Thursday, the 18th, which is coming soon. It's like, next week, July 18th, Thursday. Always great people in the room. And I can tell you already, we're about half sold on the tickets. And it's only about 200 people. So our last 100 tickets are available, and we get an incredible audience. People fly in for this event, and they come from all shapes and sizes, ages. We want the young, we want the mature, we want the active. This is an energetic event that starts at 6 o'clock with Matt Ketman from The Wine Enthusiast. I just shot a video with him. We'll have older wines out of Magnum for his dinner. You got a choice of the salmon entree or the beef entree. When you buy your ticket, it'll all get taken care of. Deal. It's about $200, includes dinner and the entire night. You can't go out to dinner in Los Angeles at a top restaurant like Tess for $200 and drink great Pinot Noir all night. This is a crazy deal. And we have incredible food throughout the entire event. There's a 6:30 early access VIP ticket that lets you go in and taste with the 39 wineries pouring 115 wines. You're tasting with them, and they're opening older bottles at their table for the 6:30 VIP audience. 7 o'clock, the great tasting. This is when it all comes together. Our 6 o'clock audience is coming in now. Our 6:30, and then the 7 o'clock great tasting starts. Appetizer buffet, kind of like a light dinner buffet. Lots of wine and people. Richard Blade, famous from K-Rock, and Sirius FM, or XM, I guess, Sirius XM, best-selling author, and just got a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Richard Blade. How many of you had him DJ your high school graduation or your reunion? I did. And I love this guy. He's great at what he does. It'll be a big night. There's even an 8 o'clock late admission. It's the least expensive ticket. I think it's $79 in advance. $79. You can still come and be a part of the celebration. Richard joins Matt, and we will have a blast. 39 top winemakers, wineries, winery owners coming out pouring 115 wines. This is what you want to be doing on a Thursday night. Taste, be social, make some friends, test restaurant, sexy location, Sunset and La Cienega, right next to Fred Siegel. You will not want to miss all of these great wines. We could just talk about the wines that end with the name W, like Wayfarer, Westwood, Wren Hop, William Selyem. Get your butt to Stars of Pinot. It'll be freaking awesome. I know it.